So this is the Wipro Smart Switch 4 and module. So before installing it, let's have a look inside what are the different components present inside. So I have removed the cover. So this is the power circuit, and we have 4 relays. There is a 4 to control 4 devices, and we have one CB3S module, so which is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module. So that is used to get communication with get connected with Alexa and Google Assistant. So we have to connect the outputs the loads at this point, and this is the connection to the switch. So here we have to give the line and neutral. So this is very basic circuit to control the 4 different modules, the 4 different circuits using 4 different relays. So now let's go and do the connection to install. So we have 4 functions, like one full light, this is fan, and we have another light here, a warm light. There's an additional switch we can give it to some other switch. So these 4 models will be 4 switches that the controlling using Alexa and Google Assistant. So we have to connect this to 4 relays. So now let's open it. Be careful while opening it. Not the light switch, the light power. Show you which are the live connections. So this is the first light. This is the light fan, and this is on extra switch. So we have on light here. So here we have light supply. So this is the live connections. So we didn't touch any live connections. Here I have to remove the middle connection. This is the out. This is the out. This is the out. So here we have to disconnect this wire, which is the out. So now off the main and come. So here we have the module. This is the module which we have shown earlier. So this we have to give to a line wire. So I will take join it to one of the line wire. This is to a neutral. So here we have an neutral here, so we'll connect to it. So first let's connect it to a live wire. So check it again. So now I have connected the live and neutral wire to this live to this point. Live connected to this point, and neutral to I have a common neutral point here. So connected to neutral over here. So now we have to connect this two switches, and we have to these wires to the switches, and we have to remove the load wire from the switches to these points. So first we'll connect the light point. So as we had seen earlier, that this middle was the load point. So we have to remove the load and then we will be connecting to one. I've connected to load and now I will be connecting this black wire. Now the fan connection. So either of the end you can connect. I mean for the fan, because this was the phase, so the other two will be going to the other two-way switch. So this will be connecting to this. Will be connecting to this wire. So the brown wire I'll be connecting to the second point. So tighten. Now third goes to this switch. So we'll be okay. We'll keep this red wire. So the connections are almost done. I have to connect the last switch. The connections are all done. We have to place it properly. Before that, we have to check it once. So I'll be onning the main. So before onning the main, you have to check ensure the connection is proper. If there is any loose connection, tighten the connections properly. So you can see this indication which shows that there is light power. Light is okay, motor is okay. So you can see the first switch, that is on. So now you can see the light will be. So now the second switch. The fan has rotating now. So on the third switch, third is one bare one, third is an empty one, so I have to correct some other load. So fourth one is a warm light, one on warm light. So I have on the warm light, so I will off right now. So all the connections are perfect. Now we have to carefully place all the inside this box. So I'll once again off the main network. Now carefully place the box, the module and each wiring properly after powering off the main, and you can push the circuits, push the switchboard against the wall and push the screws. So after placing everything, just check the connections. The fan is also running on, so the warm light is also running on. That is perfect. You can hear the fan sound. That's what. Now we'll be checking with Alexa. Alexa, turn on the fan. Alexa, turn on the warm light. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, turn on the light.